The Fivesun 20-inch caged ceiling fan combines a charming farmhouse industrial design with practical functionality, making it a versatile addition to any room or outdoor space. Equipped with a high-quality DC motor, this fan operates quietly and efficiently, providing a comfortable environment all year round with its forward and reverse modes. Control your fan's settings effortlessly with the included remote or smartphone app, allowing you to adjust speeds, set timers, and switch modes without any noise disruptions. Installation is a breeze with this fan, thanks to its comprehensive package of accessories and clear instructions, making it easy for even one person to set up. The Fivesun fan is backed by a reliable 3-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind and prompt assistance should any issues arise during this period. With its combination of style, functionality, and user-friendly features, this ceiling fan is a top choice for those seeking both aesthetics and performance.